It's so freaking shiny. Ow, my eye. Oh, dude. Oh, can you see the sun behind me? Can you see it? Can you see it? You probably can. Alright, in the car right now. In the car. Alone. Let's do this. Wait, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Ow. Okay. Woo! In front of the steering wheel. Yeah. Let's do this. There's no key, but I can still drive, yeah, you know. Alright, you can sit here. Can you see me like this? Yeah. What does everyday vlogger say? Vlogging while driving. Oopsies, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back to the safe part of the car, which is behind. This is the place for kids. Ow. Yeah, kids like me who like playing around when they're alone in the car. So yeah, right now I'm gonna be going to the building that my father works. I'm not gonna stay there for too long, just a bit. I'm gonna be going to the store and getting like a small milk and something to eat for breakfast, and then maybe go up to the gym. I'm gonna pay like a membership for a month, but I don't think I'm gonna play today because the trousers that I'm wearing are not suitable for running and stuff. Maybe I'll just do the things for the arms and hands, that's all. And then afterwards I'm gonna be going to my aunt's house. It's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah. Where's my dad? He left like a long time ago. I'm bored. Dude, come on. Can he possibly leave me like this alone in the car? Like, don't tell me he's sitting with the neighbors. He told me he'd be gone for a moment. Like, what? Hello, Carlos. Hello. Hello, Carlos. Hello, Carlos. Out, Carlos. Hello, Carlos. Out. This guy is so cute. يي ايش هاد؟ طلع ناطط وقع. يي ناطط وقع على الارض. اوكي. Hello, Carlo. يلا أبا برافو. What's up? What is up, yo? What's up? African gray, Parrot. Oh yeah, bro, you're so cool. Carlos. Eating a grape, bro. Yeah, grape. And you got one down there in your water. Grape. خاف تفتح الباب. فلوس تعال هنا. تعال خاف تدخل تحت. Yo, at my aunt's house right now, and this is Carlos. Carlos, the African girl. Carlos, cool. You're cool, Carlos. You are cool. But of course, Natasha is the coolest. That is always. Yeah, Carlos. Look at that dude. Look at him. Look at him. Ah, he's a cool birdie. He is cool. Yo, this is Nat's advice.
Hey! So check out my channel.
Link in the description below.
The topic is how-tos. I give you advice about daily life things. صح? I'm your cousin. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you want. No. Okay.
No, you better subscribe, yo. It's not a choice.
Yeah.
You better.
Yo. Okay. And shout out for Barknoor. Yay!
Eating some ice cream, yo. Snickers flavor. Oh. Awesome. I mean, like this, what do you call it? Like club. It has lots of different things, like a place for little kids to play, a place for adults, like a small restaurant. It's got everything, just basically, and it's got ice cream.
Hi, Salma.
Oh,
Salma, no.
girl.
Salma. Salma.
Pretty place for sand and slides and fun.
Salma, you got a rest? Yeah, this is be careful. You could. Stay boy and my dad goes yellow. And this stuff I better turn already. Mom, إن شاء الله ما بعرف. Hi, Noor, what's your name? What's your number? What's your name?